In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create engaging video content using Canva, focusing on adding and adjusting liquid transitions seamlessly. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you're not familiar with it, Canva is an incredibly versatile design platform, perfect for both beginners and seasoned creators looking to make their projects pop. Once you've logged in, you'll want to click on Create a Design. Choose Video from the options, since that's what we're concentrating on today. Now it's time to prepare your project. Consider what footage or clips you'll be working with. Make sure they're imported into Canva, and if not, upload them directly from your computer. Take a moment here to organize your workspace, perhaps by creating folders or renaming files so you can easily access them as needed. Once you've got everything lined up, it's time to start editing. A crucial technique you'll learn today is how to split your video into segments. This is where the editing magic begins. Start by dragging your cursor over the timeline of your video. Move it to the precise spot where you want to make the split. This might be an instinctive decision. Maybe it's where you want to introduce a new scene or highlight a pivotal moment. Once you've chosen your split point, simply right-click to bring up the option menu and select Split Page. This will effectively divide your video at the chosen point. If you need to make additional cuts, perhaps to break down further sections of your video, simply repeat this process. A well-edited video often involves multiple splits, guiding the viewer through the narrative in a more engaging way. Next up, we're going to add some flair to those cuts with liquid transitions. Transitions are visual effects used to move from one scene to another seamlessly, and liquid transitions add a unique fluid dynamic that can enhance viewer experience. To get started, go to the Elements tab in Canva. In the search bar, type Liquid Transitions. Make sure you're under the Videos section, as you'll be looking for video elements rather than static images. Once you've browsed through it and chosen the transitions you like, simply drag your desired transition into the timeline, placing it directly between the split sections of your video. This effectively stitches the two segments together with a visually appealing effect. Remember, transitions can be adjusted too. You can modify their length and sometimes even their speed, tailoring them to fit perfectly within your video's narrative. After you've added your first transition, feel free to view it by playing your video. This will give you a better idea of how your creative work is coming